In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily convert your Google Slides presentation into a Microsoft PowerPoint file. For those of you looking to work in a more traditional Office format, or needing to share your slides with someone who primarily uses PowerPoint, this is a great skill to have in your toolbox. To start this process, you'll want to have your Google Slides presentation open in your web browser. Make sure you've finished all your edits and are happy with how your presentation looks, as the next steps will focus on converting and adjusting these slides rather than content creation. Once you've got your presentation open and ready, let's go ahead and initiate the download. You'll need to navigate to the top menu bar of your Google Slides window. Here, hover over the File tab. Clicking it will open a drop-down menu. In this menu, look for the Download option. When you hover or click on Download, another submenu will appear showing several file format options. For our purposes, you'll want to select the Microsoft PowerPoint option, which will be indicated by the PowerPoint extension next to it. Once you select this option, your Google Slides presentation will automatically start downloading to your computer. By default, this downloaded file typically ends up in your computer's Downloads folder, so that's the first place you should check if you don't see it right away. After locating the .pptx file in your Downloads folder, you're ready to open it in PowerPoint. If you have Microsoft PowerPoint installed on your desktop, launching the application will be easy. Simply double-click on your downloaded file. If you prefer or need to use the web version of PowerPoint, you can also upload the file to your OneDrive and open it from there. Now, with your file open in PowerPoint, it's important to go through each slide and review it for any adjustments that might be necessary. Occasionally, during the conversion from Google Slides, some formatting or elements might shift slightly due to the differences between the platforms. This is particularly true for custom fonts, images, or animations that may not transfer perfectly. Take the time to make sure that everything looks correct and functions as intended. Tweak any misaligned text, adjust image placements, and ensure that all your slides appear as you envisioned. This review step helps ensure your presentation is polished and professional, worthy of any audience. And just like that, you've seamlessly moved your presentation from Google Slides to PowerPoint, preserving loads of hassle down the line while ensuring your content remains adaptable and accessible. This quick method is a lifesaver for anyone needing to switch between these two popular presentation platforms. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you found this tutorial useful.